Gardening in Victoria in July is just fantastic. There's so much to do and it's so fresh and crisp and invigorating. It's just wonderful. The best thing to be putting in now is your fruit trees. Things like your cherries, apricots, nectarines, apples, lots and lots of different things to choose from. It's endless. It's time to be putting your veggies in now too. You could be putting in your kale and your cabbage, your peas, lettuces, beetroot. Time to put some beautiful potted colour into the garden just so that you've got something to look at on those dull, drab days. You've got your cyclamens happening, you've got your beautiful polyanthus all starting to flower, your beautiful velvet pansies are just divine for a bit of colour. With our perfect plant promise, if you're not happy when you get home, you can always return your plants and get a refund on anything except seedlings. In July, there's plenty to pick. Harvest cabbages when they're ready, pull leeks and pick kale, sprouts and broccoli. Pull carrots, parsnips and beets, which are best picked before they get too woody. Jobs to do in July in your garden are pruning your fruit trees. All you want to do is shape up the bush just to encourage more flowers over summer. It's an excellent time to mulch now. You've got your sugarcane mulches you can use. You mulch to help retain moisture and to help breed microorganisms that are beneficial to your soil and keep it nice and rich. There's lots to do in the garden in July, and if you do the hard work now, you'll reap the rewards later on. If you've got any questions, just pop on down to your local Bunnings and the garden experts there will be more than happy to give you a hand. Or you can refer to our DIY videos. Click here for more gardening advice and click here to go back to the website.